Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can check the oil level in the Honda Jazz 2. So in the first step, remember to cool down the car and do not change the level oil when your engine is hot or if you are after the drive. So you have to always give a time for your engine to just go down the full oil. The thing to check the oil level is located here. You can just turn it to the left side. Then okay, we don't need to just turn it. Now just clean the tool with the cloth, put it back and remove it. Then check the oil level on this scale. Sorry, you can't take the focus. Never mind, that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment and goodbye.